Style: dynamic educational YouTube-style video with narration, graphics, animations, and stock footage illustrating each business, motivational background music. Energetic narrator voice. Opening with futuristic city visuals, AI, green tech, etc. Opening scene. Title screen with top businesses for 2026. Futuristic visuals, upbeat music builds. Narrator, energetic and motivating. Welcome to 2026. The world of business is evolving faster than ever before. AI, sustainability, and digital transformation are opening doors to incredible opportunities. In this video, I'll share 7 of the most promising business ideas with huge potential this year. For each one, I'll give a short description, why it's hot right now, and practical steps on how to get started. These ideas draw from expert forecasts like those from Forbes, Entrepreneur, McKinsey, and industry reports. Ready? Let's dive in. Transition. Animated numbered list. First business icon pops up with AI graphic. Business 1. AI-powered personal coaching. Description: AI-assisted coaching services offering personalized advice on career, health, fitness, finance, or personal development. In 2026, AI analyzes user data in real time, making coaching more effective, affordable, and scalable than traditional sessions. High profit potential through subscriptions and easy scaling. How to start? Learn AI basics using free tools like ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, or Claude. Build a simple app or platform using existing APIs, for example, OpenAI, Anthropic. Pick a niche, for example, career coaching, and promote on LinkedIn, TikTok, or Instagram. Initial investment: $100, $500 for hosting, domain, and basic ads. Clip: animation of AI chatting with user, growth stats for AI coaching. Business 2. Sustainable e-commerce store. Description: online shop selling eco-friendly products, biodegradable packaging, recycled clothing, zero-waste gadgets, or ethical home goods. Climate awareness and green consumer demand drive loyalty and potential government incentives. Margins often 30 to 50%. How to start? Source suppliers, Alibaba, local eco-producers, or dropshipping partners. Set up your store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Market via Instagram Reels, TikTok #sustainable living, and eco-influencers. Initial investment: $200, $1,000 for initial inventory and ads. Clip: eco products unboxing, people shopping online, green earth visuals. Business 3. Telehealth, virtual health services. Description: platform for remote medical or wellness consultations, often enhanced with AI diagnostics or symptom checkers. Post-pandemic convenience plus aging populations equals massive demand. Revenue from per-visit fees or subscriptions. How to start? Check local regulations and get necessary certifications. Telemedicine rules vary by country. Build using Zoom API, scheduling tools, and secure patient data platforms. Partner with freelance doctors, nutritionists. Initial investment: $500, $2,000 for software and marketing. Clip: virtual doctor visit simulation, medical icons, happy patients. Business 4. Online education and skill courses. Description: digital courses or platforms. Teaching future-proof skills, AI basics, prompt engineering, sustainability practices, remote freelancing, etc. Reskilling boom makes this evergreen with subscription or one-time sales models. How to start? Create content based on your expertise. Record with phone plus Canva slides. Host on Teachable, Thinkific, Udemy, or your own site. Promote in LinkedIn groups, Reddit, Facebook communities. Initial investment: $100, $600 for tools and initial ads. Clip: people learning on laptops, animated skill icons, rising growth charts. Business 5: green energy consulting. Description: advisory services helping homes and businesses install solar panels, improve energy efficiency, or access green subsidies. EU, US funds and net zero goals fuel huge demand. Charge per consultation or project. How to start: gain knowledge via online courses on renewables, Coursera, free YouTube. Set up a professional website and LinkedIn profile. Offer free initial audits to build portfolio and network at local events. Initial investment: $200, $800 for website and business cards. Clip: solar panel installations, energy audits. Happy homeowners saving money. Business 6: virtual reality experiences and content. Description: creating VR content for education, virtual tourism, corporate training, events, or entertainment. As VR hardware becomes cheaper and more mainstream in 2026, immersive experiences explode. Sell tickets, subscriptions, or custom projects. How to start: get basic VR gear, MetaQuest or similar. Use Unity or Unreal Engine, free tiers, to build experiences. Sell on platforms like Steam VR, SideQuest, or pitch to companies. Initial investment: $400, $1,500 for hardware, software. Clip: people in VR headsets exploring virtual worlds, training simulations. Business 7: personalized nutrition and wellness apps. Description: apps using AI, DNA data, or habit tracking to deliver custom meal plans, supplements advice, and wellness routines. Health Plus personalization megatrend continues strong in 2026. Monetize via subscriptions or premium features. How to start: partner with nutritionists and use no-code tools, Bubble, Adalo, plus AI Apis. Build MVP and test with beta users from social media. Market on Instagram, TikTok health communities. Initial investment: $200, $1,000 for development and testing. Clip: app screens with meal plans, healthy food visuals, progress tracking. Closing scene: summary screen with all 7 ideas, call to action overlay. Music swells. Narrator: these are just the tip of the iceberg. 2026 is full of possibilities. Pick the one that matches your skills and passion and take action today. Which idea excites you the most? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more business inspiration. See you in the next video. Fend screen. Credits, sources, inspiration: Forbes, Entrepreneur, McKinsey Trends. Music fades out.